Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 a day trade setups for today. So, bottom of channel, testing bottom of channel. Not really convinced that it's going to break, or even if it does break, it's probably going to come back and test some structure. And you can see any one of these tails here. Just put that in like that. So any one of these tails is going to offer a fairly decent amount of support. So last week was pretty chaotic. You can see we formed a series of lower highs and lower lows on the daily. But look at my oscillators, they have eased off quite nicely. Big diversions from that swing low to here. Earnings season for the S&P really kicks off this week. Last week was just a preamble. Lots to pay attention to, but when you start looking at the 3 hour, that does look like it is starting to roll, doesn't it? So it looks like a break, it looks like a roll, but I'm reluctant to commit to it because look at the price action of Thursday and Friday last week, pretty much sideways, big up and big down. So we could argue that we have tested the 155 here. You can see a fairly solid test of the 155 and a crossover. So if we just drop to the 15-minute, I mean, you can't really trade that. I mean, Friday's price action was complete chaos. On one side, I'm thinking sit on hands. On the other side, it does look like it's rolling. So I'd want to be sort of looking for an entry short. But I think the most logical thing is to wait for a break of Friday's lows, which is 4116, 4116 or 4117 area. Break retest, that's going to trigger shorts. This level that I just put into the upside here, which is 4135, I want to get above it, come back and test it for moves to the upside. But I think the way to look at this is that is your range. Come back to the hour. That's your range. So until the high of Friday gets taken out, you're not looking for any longs. And until the low of Friday gets taken out, you're not looking for any shorts. In other words, sitting on hands until we see a break of structure. Bearing in mind that you've got quite a few catalysts this week that could drive price in a direction. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.